Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making this amazing crispy fried chicken tossed in this beautiful combination of sauces, and this was served up with some delicious fried rice. Alright, so to get started you're going to wash and clean your chicken, and today I'm just simply using chicken wings. You can use any part of the chicken you like, season to your likeness, but everything that I am using here will be in the description box. So I let my chicken marinate for about 2 hours. Then I prepare my dredging flour and of course my egg wash. So I have some potato starch, some flour, onion garlic powder, some smoked paprika, and black pepper. First, you're going to coat the chicken in the flour, then in the egg wash, then back in the flour. You're going to do this for the rest of the chicken and let this sit for about 5 minutes or so. We're going to preheat our oil. I did add 2 cloves of garlic. You can omit, that is optional. You're going to fry for about 10 minutes on medium low until they're nice and golden brown. Then now we're going to make this combination of sauce. Guys, this is super easy. If you do have this in your pantry, you can make this. Alright, sweet and spicy Sweet Baby Ray, some sweet chili sauce, some jerk seasoning, and some yellow mustard, just a tad bit. And that is it. And if you make this, guys, you're going to tell me how delicious this combination is. Beautiful. So now we are going to add our chicken, fried chicken, to the bowl. Then we're going to add our sauce there and toss it up. Make sure it is coated evenly. And that's it, guys. Our beautiful, delicious, crispy fried chicken tossed in this amazing sauce. So thank you guys again for spending the time with me today. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share, drop me a comment. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye-bye.